Hello my dear children, how are you all? I already taught you how are you, then what you have to say? I am fine, thank you. Yes, welcome back to Journal English class. And Journal English means which book? English Primer. Yes, very good. So today's video we are going to do lesson number 4 and 5. In the lesson number 4 and 5, nothing to write, only you have to read the spellings. Yes, children. So let's see how to read long sound and short sound. Okay? Yes, come on, tell me which picture is this? This is the picture of baby. Yes, you have to read B-A-B-Y, baby. This is short sound. B says B, A says A, B says B, Y says Y. So, B-A-B-Y, baby. Okay. Next one is, this is the picture of earth, where we live. Let's see the earth spelling. E-A-R-T-H, earth. E says A says A, R says R, T-H, th. Yes, again repeat after me. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Earth is a planet where we live it. Yes, let's see next one. This is the picture of bird. Yes, B. Which letter sound is B? B. So, B-I-R-D, bird. B says B, I says A, R-D, R, bird. Yes, come on, next one. This is a picture of shoe. Come on, shoe spelling is S-H-O-E, shoe, S-H, shoe. This is a short sound, so you have to say shoe. Yes, S-H-O-E, shoe. Next one, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Yes, D says D, U says A, C-K, K, duck. Yes, like this you have to recognize the sound and read the spelling. So you will read very fast. D-U-C-K, duck. Next one is puppy. Whose baby is puppy? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Dog baby is called puppy. Yes. Come on, read the puppy spelling. P-U-P-P. Double P means long sound. Double P-Y, puppy. Yes, children. Come on, read. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Double P, paw. Yes, puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Next one is nest, where birds lay eggs. Nest spelling is N-E-S-T. N-E-S-T, nest. N says N, E says A, S-T, st, nest. Yes? Let's go ahead. Picture of fish. Fish is a water animal. Fish live in a water. Fish spelling is, come on, read which letter is this? F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Fish. Yes, you have to repeat after me, children. Then only you will learn. Yes, you have to repeat. Come on, let's go ahead. Next picture is hand. Yes, H-A-N-D, hand. Again, H-A-N-D, hand. Yes, let's go ahead. See the next picture. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Dog. Bark. Yes. Bark. B-A-R-K. Next one is bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-Bath. T-H. B-A-T-H. Bath. Children, phonic sound is very important. If you know the sound, then you will read all the spellings. Yes? So learn the sound very perfectly. Next one is desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Desk means table where we can sit and do our homework, or mummy or daddy can do their work. This is called desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Yes. Next one is D-R-I-N-K. Drink. They both are drinking milk. So, drink. Yes. Drink. D-R. Drink. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. You can cut the spelling and say, then also you will able to read big spelling. D-R-B. Ink. Drink. Yes, like this. Next one is picture of girl. Girl. Which letter sound is girl? G. Very good. G-I-R-L. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Let's go ahead. This is the picture of glass. We can drink water, juice with a glass. So glass spelling is G-L-A. Double S. Double S means two times S. Double S, long sound. Glass. Sir. Yes. G-L-A. Double S. Glass. Yes. Next one is park. P-A-R-K. Park. This is a short sound. Glass is a long sound because double S is there. Park, where children go to play. P-A-R-K. Park. This is the picture of jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Jeep. Yes. E-E. Yes. Jeep. This is long sound. Yes. This is the picture of green dot, and green spelling is G-R-E-E-N. Green. Double E means E. Yes, green. Like this. This is a long sound. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Yes. Let's see next one. This is the picture of tree. Tree. Yes. Long or short? Long sound. Very good. T-R-E-E. Tree. E. Yes. T-R-E-E. Tree. Shall we go ahead? Yes? Yes. Come on. This is the picture of queen. In the queen, which two letters will say long sound? E. Queen. Yes. Read the spelling. Which letter is this? Q. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Yes. Again. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Double E. E. Queen. Yes. Like this you have to read. Next one is seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Seed means if you eat any fruit, then from the fruit which part comes out, that is called seeds. S-E-E-D. Seed. Yes, mummy use all different seeds in cooking. Yes, so seed spelling is S-E-E-D. Seed. Long sound. Yes. Let's go ahead. Ship. S-H-E-E-P. sheep, double E, sheep. Yes, SH, sh, P, A double E, P, E, sheep. Yes, SH double E, P, sheep. Next one is spoon, SP, double O and spoon. So here double O, O, spoon. SP, double O and spoon. Yes, long sound. Next one is stool, 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 double O. Yes, long sound. STOOL, stool, stool. This is the picture of stool. Yes. Next one is roof, ROOF, roof. Roof means this part. Yes, our house is covered with roof. Yes, roof is the topmost part of our house. So, roof spelling is ROOF, roof, double O, long sound. Yes. Next one is cool, COOL, cool. O, double O says O, cool. COOL, cool. Yes, cool means you can put the ice cube in the water and then water become cool. That is the meaning of cool. Next one is MOON, moon. You can see moon during the night. Yes, MOON, long sound. MOON, moon. Next one is food, 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 OO. Moon, food, this all are same spelling, long sound. FOOD, food. Food means which food we eat during breakfast, lunch or in dinner. That is called food. Next one is ZOO, zoo. Z sound is Z, OO, ZOO, zoo. Yes, children, got it? Yes, very good. So, my dear children, here we finish lesson number 4 and 5 in English Primer. As I said, you don't have to write anything. Only you have to read short sound and long sound. So, do practice at home. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.